I feel like I'm cheating on you. Things happened and I didn't show you. Cottage cheese on a bagel thin, are we going to call it? A bagel flat, a bagel thin? I don't know. And, you know, just some candied jalapenos, as one does, with salt and pepper. Why not? Hi. I love you guys. I miss you guys. I cracked up this weekend at people coming up to me and talking about chicken salad. Like, that's weird. My tombstone will say, here lies Bethany Frankel. She made chicken salad famous.